Today, we're going to take a look at adverbial infinitives. And I know we've taken on infinitives before, and we're going to take on infinitives again because the infinitive shows up 3 times in the English language. So the first time we took on an infinitive, it was a noun. We called it a nominal infinitive. To review, an infinitive is to plus the verb. And we can also create what we call an infinitive phrase by adding more to it, typically like a complement, like a direct object, for example. So we can have to plus a verb plus a complement. So let's take a look at some examples of this. I could say to win board races. It's an infinitive. It has to in and has a little complement. The point is, I can't tell what type of infinitive this is until I put it in the context of a sentence. That will tell me whether it's going to be adverbial or it could be nominal, or it could be the third type, which we haven't come across yet. It isn't that one. Let's take a look at the examples. So what if I said, we wanted to win board races? Well, that's different from saying, we cheated to win board races. They're 2 different types of infinitives. When I say we wanted to win board races, that's nominal because it answers the question of what. We wanted what? To win board races. But I'm not saying we cheated what. I seem to be saying we cheated why. And why is an adverb question. So therefore, this infinitive is adverbial. Let's pause and take a look at how the diagram would be different depending on whether it's nominal or adverbial. So, hello, let's say we took on these 2 sentences. I'm going to draw them next to each other. So this nominal one is going to sit right here. And we would say we is our subject. Here's our verb of wanted. Direct object, what did you want? And so I know that to win board races is all trying to fit into this direct object slot. So that's why we put it up on a tree, because it was trying to be a noun. So we come down with to, over with the word win, and we're trying to win races. And what kind of races? Well, they are board races, something that we hopefully will be able to do shortly in our grammar class. Now, the second one is adverbial. If I diagram the second one, I'll put them in a different color. I would say we, action verb, cheated. But we didn't cheat what? We cheated why. An adverb always seems to go underneath the verb, explains why we cheated. So I want this infinitive to describe cheated. So I'm going to build it underneath here and say, why did you cheat? To win. And to win races. What kind of races? Board races. So the infinitive looks the same, but one's on a tree and the other one's underneath the verb. This is adverbial. This is nominal. Let's pause our video and take on a little more complex one and understand really some of the challenges now that we have 2 different infinitives that we have to deal with.